All right, guys, let's work on telling time to the minute today. So I'm going to first see which one is my hour hand. My hour hand is always our little one. Okay, so my hour hand is a little bit past the 2. So I know that it is 2 o'clock. How do I tell time using my minute hand? Remember, we count by fives. So I'm going to start here. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Oh, I'm not going to go here yet because my arrow is not all the way to that 5. So 20, and I'm going to do these little ones. 21, 22, 23, 24. Wow, so it is actually 2:24. A common mistake would think that that was 2:25, but I knew not to count that far. Let's try one more. My hour hand is a little bit past the 3. So I know it is 3 something. All right. Remember, with our minute hand, we start at the 12. We start with 0. We're going to count by fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. Oh, I'm sorry. 20, 25, 30, 35. Oh, I can't go up here to 40 yet, so now I got to count by ones. 35, 36, 37. All right, so it is 3:37, which makes this correct answer. All right, please let me know if you have any questions. Keep working on your math. Very good, guys.